Well, hello there, my dear friends. Welcome back to the Scott Reed Project. So I'm sat in my eyrie in the countryside and I'm thinking to myself, do you know what? I haven't shown you wonderful people my latest book. Now, I have written 4 books, one on rabbit, one on venison, one on feathered game, and then this absolute beauty, all about the noble pig. Quite a cool title as well, the Notorious Pig. So in this book then, it's a proper old school butchery book. We've got everything you need to know about processing a pig. All the old school English butcher's recipes are in here. But yeah, best book to date, this one. It's the most biographical. I'm just going to flick through it quickly. So it's got an amazing butchery section. So if you wanted to process your own pig, you could take this down to your cutting room, your shed, your garage, and you will be able to do that, no problem. My mission was to try and create a book along the same lines as my videos, so easy to follow, simple instruction, and I think I've nailed it. So, sausage making. These are all the SRP sausage recipes are in here. I've given all the secrets away. What's the use of having all the knowledge if you can't share it? So yeah, I'm really proud of this book. And we go on more sausages. And we go on to curing bacon. I love the pink cover, the faux leather cover. It's just a class book. And what I will do is I will put a link in the description where you can get this. Like I said, they have been all around the world, America, Australia, all of Europe, but it literally is a book to show you everything. So look, from the pig's head, black pudding, beautiful. That's a great picture. My old handwritten books which I used to keep my recipes in. Oh, look at that, boudin. And of course my favourite, white pudding. So basically this is the ultimate nose to tail butchery book. Everything is in here, and then at the back we got a few recipes. But yeah, really proud of this book. So if you would like a copy, just click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching, my friends. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Take care.